Hi everyone, my name is Raymond and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about something unique that if you want to make a store on Spreadshirt or Teespring or even WooCommerce, it's better for you to go specific in niche or sub-niche as it helps you to get more attention and makes your promotional campaigns on social media easier and your interest will be focused on that niche. However, nowadays you will find many stores that are specific not only in niche or sub-niche, but also in some categories or some items, which means you will find many stores that are specific for t-shirts and others for short curtains and others for leggings and so on. And if you want to make an individual store for a specific item, from my opinion, I would recommend you to make a store for stickers because people love stickers. From all ages love stickers because their prices are reasonable and people buy them to decorate anything they want, like walls, iPhone cases, laptops, school stuff, fridges, and so on. So if you want to make an awesome store for stickers, I recommend Zazzle.com. And now we are on Zazzle.com to create our store to sell stickers only. And if you don't have an account here on Zazzle.com, just sign up and sell your designs on Zazzle. Or if you have one, just sign in like me, okay? And now go to this profile picture of your account here, okay? My Zazzle. And go to my stores, like that. And open new store to sell our stickers, okay? Open new store. And here you can enter store name like Popular, okay, Popularno, and I am not a robot, and create store, okay? Super easy. And here in this page you have to put some data about your store, like tagline or the slogan of your store, like designs you feel, for example, okay? And here in this section about or the bio of your store, here you can write about yourself, about your creativity, your passion, your background of graphic design, and so on, okay? And here in this store banner image, just add image, okay, for example, and here upload image, or you can choose any of these photos, okay, for example, as you see, okay? And tags of your store, like your name, stickers, okay, and your designs, flowers, pattern, and so on, okay, or cats, dogs, and so on, okay? And here in some details about your city and your provenance and your country, okay? And when you are done with these details, just submit, okay? Perfect. Go to this Zazzle homepage. And to create stickers of your designs here on Zazzle, you have to know there are 3 different types of stickers. To find them, just go to this create, okay? And here in this blank products, go to view all. And you'll find personalized custom gifts. Go to this part, art crafts, party supplies, and go to select stickers, as you see here. Okay, and here we are. Go to this one, medium kiss cut stickers. And here you will find the first type here of stickers on Zazzle, vinyl stickers. And these stickers you can put on your cars, skateboards, water puddles, prints, laptops, and so on, okay, as you see here in these mockups, bags, pucks, as you see, skateboards, laptop, and so on. And you will find many sizes and many dimensions of these stickers, like large one and small and tiny, okay? Okay, and here you can add image in this section, create your own design to make your own stickers of your designs here on Zazzle. Go to this add image, okay? Or you can add text manually, okay? So add image here. and it takes you to this Zazzle design tool. Okay, and here you can upload your designs from your device, laptop, or your phone. Okay, like these designs. For example, we can choose this one, hiking dogs. Okay, firstly, you can optimize this sticker, this design. Okay, as you see in this preview. Perfect. And here you will find many options to this design, like fill, okay, crop, rotate, flip it, more options, okay, and so on. Okay, and when you are done with that, go to this done button. Okay, and here you will see your design as sticker on these mockups. Okay, with of course these dimensions. For example, this large sticker on laptop. Okay, here on skateboard, laptop. Okay, in this another one for pegs. Okay, on your car, as you see. Okay, on your car. For large one, vinyl sticker, as you see. Okay, with bigger dimensions, with bigger size. Perfect. In your luggage. Okay, and so on. Okay, perfect. Or if we choose this one, tiny or small sticker, who you can put on your laptop, as you see, like water bottle, as you see. Okay, helmet, and so on. Okay, and honestly speaking, one of the best things here on Zazzle.com, you will find some beautiful mockups that you can use for promoting your designs, your stickers on social media. And you'll find also up here a lot of discounts and offers that you can use to get more views, to get more sales. Okay, and when you are done here with this vinyl sticker, just go to this button, sell it, and when you click this button, you will hit to a page where you can put some details of your product, like title, tags, description, and so on. So the first type here of stickers on Zazzle.com, vinyl stickers. Okay, and to find the other types of stickers, just to go to this create again. Okay, and go to this one, text elements, oh baby, for example, and we are heading to the Zazzle design tool. Okay, and here you can find other types of stickers on Zazzle.com rather than the vinyl stickers, that you can make a page of small stickers that you can take one of them and you can put on your envelope, book, iPhone case, and so on. Okay, so go to products. Okay, and you can type here stickers, and you will find other types of stickers like wedding stickers, bumper stickers, scrapbook stickers, and so on. So we can pick out this one, scrapbook. Okay, and this type stickers, for example. Okay, and you'll find many shapes of these small stickers, like star, like rectangle, heart, oval, circle, and so on. Okay, so we can upload our file, our design, like this one. Okay, we can just optimize our design here. Perfect one. Make it smaller. Perfect one. As you see here, your sticker is ready. Just in this mockups, you will find here a page of similar stickers, as you see here. Okay, and we can put any one of these stickers on my envelope, my book, my iPhone case, and so on. Okay, with different shapes, as I said before. Okay, and as you see, you will find this type of stickers has a colored background, unlike the vinyl stickers that has a transparent one. So if you want to change this white background to another color, just go to this edit design, okay, and then you can change this background from white to another color like green, for example, as you see here in this preview, pink, yellow, and so on. Okay, and the last type of stickers here on Zazzle.com is labels, and to create them just you have to repeat the previous steps. Go to create again, okay, select oh baby, for example, you'll find Zazzle design tool, go to products, type here stickers, select the first one, and you will find labels, and here you can make a page of different stickers, or a page consists of different rows of stickers of different designs. Okay, for example, you can select this one, labels, okay, go to my files to upload our design like this one, just we can optimize this design on the sticker. Okay, as you see here in this preview, we have made the first row of our page. Okay, so go to this layers, as you see here, and here you can add many rows, many different stickers as you want. So go to the second row, okay, and here go to my files again and upload another design like this one, optimize it, okay, and you will find here the second row of your stickers, okay, and so on. Go to layers, okay, and add the third one, as you see here. Go to my files, upload another one like this one, okay, optimize this design, super easy, and you have made 3 different rows, 3 different designs, 3 different stickers, okay, as you see. Just to go to buy, as you see, okay. Thus, in this way, you can create a sticker bag of different designs, but with colored background. And if you want to make a sticker bag with transparent background, so you can use the first type that was a vinyl sticker, okay. So we can go vinyl sticker, as you see here, select this one, okay, add image, add our images, our designs, okay, to create a sticker bag with transparent background. So go to my files, okay, and here you can select the first design like this one. We can make it smaller, as you see, okay, and pick out the second one like this one, okay, and you can also make it smaller like this one, okay, perfect. And we can use another one like this design, make it smaller, as you see, okay. Thus, you have to make sure that there are appropriate interstitial spaces between the stickers to facilitate the extraction of them. And now you have known all 3 types of stickers on Zazzle.com to create your stickers of your designs on your Zazzle store. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.